Did you know that all trees start in a flower? The flower appears in the spring and makes tree seeds. This is a strawberry guava. It used to be a pink flower. This used to be a pink flower and now it became a pink fruit, and these are the seeds. Even basil has a flower that has the seeds inside. These are the basil seeds. This is an apple tree, and it also had a flower that became a fruit. This was a flower, and it became a fruit, and this is the seed. Yummy. This is the branch. These are the leaves. This is the trunk. And underground is the roots. Oh look, a passion fruit flower. And here is the fruit. And this is how the seeds look like. This is an avocado. Oh.
It's okay.
And this is the seed. We put toothpicks in the seed and put it over water, and it eventually grew seed. Roots. After the roots was the stem and the leaves, and when it got big enough, we planted it in this, and when it grows a lot more in many years, it'll get as big as this. Hi, I'm here to talk about footprints. Animals leave footprints while they walk. This is a picture of a bobcat footprint. Being able to track animal footprints is important if you live in the wild or you're trying to protect your pets. These are animal tracks that we took in the Mammoth Museum. This is a coyote footprint, and it looks a lot like my dog's, but it would eat my dogs or our chickens. Everything leaves footprints when it walks around, and when I walk in the sand, I can see where I walked. When I'm barefoot, I can see my footprint in the sand, but if I'm wearing shoes, I can see the print of the shoes. And even bikes leave tire tracks. Bird activity is a way to see the changes in seasons. Hawks are birds of prey and are always in our yard. They can fly fast, especially when diving. They can go up to 150 miles per hour.
Hello,
And
hawk.
they have the best
Look at you trying to be all
eyesight
sly.
in the animal kingdom.
You're
They
not gonna eat my
also
chickens.
have great memory,
little hawk.
and that is
Look at you
why
trying to be all
they are
sly.
always watching our chickens.
You're not gonna eat my
Hawks
chickens.
lay eggs in April or May, and the birds hatch 6 weeks later. They are tiny, really cute birds that remember every feeder they have ever been to. We make them sugar water for their feeders so they always come back. They lay eggs in the spring. This is one of their nests from late May 2022. Did you know that hummingbirds can fly up to 500 miles in one go? I love watching hummingbirds.